Okay, first of all, create a button, call it introduction. Okay, and in the library, you will find that over here, whatever the button you have created, this is the introduction button, and make sure you create a nice button. So I'll create either a uh, exactly round or something like this, and I'll call it introduction. The color of that font should be different so it doesn't hide behind. I'm making it a little smaller. You can make it a little bigger if you like. It suits if it suits your page. So this is how I select its size. This is introduction. Right. Now I'll just copy this from the library and I'll paste this again. Paste, put duplicate, and it comes over here. This is one way. The other way is you can just select this also and copy. So it will do exactly the same thing. So I don't want to create another folder, so I'll go to insert, new symbol, features, and paste in place. This will paste it exactly the same place, features. Okay, and then another button, call it gallery, and paste it exactly same place. This will be introduction, gallery, features, and offers. So now I have my 4 buttons ready. Make sure you do the over and down effect also, so your buttons look more interactive. So inside, let's say I'll do it for one. Inside this, you can actually have a different image also over here. You can delete, you can remove this, and you can have an image also over here. If I can import an image and show to you. So I'm importing an image. And if I go to my library, I can see my image. I can place it over here, make it a little smaller also. So the button will show an image actually. So now there is, use your imagination, use some kind of interactivity. So first page will have all these buttons: introduction, gallery, features, and the fourth one. Did we create the fourth one? Introduction, features. Okay, so what we did was we actually copied inside the same. So let's create this. Insert new symbol, gallery. So now we have the 4 buttons. So now once you have created the 4 buttons, have a nice background over here. This is your first page. Please make sure you have a nice background, and then you create keyframes. You see keyframes, insert keyframe, insert keyframe. Each keyframe will be representing your page. So I'm creating keyframes after some distance and I'm giving them names. So this is introduction, this one is offers, this one is features, and the last one is gallery. So I've given them names. Now I need to tie them with them. So on the introduction page, what should there be? There should be some introduction. So I will create a text like this. I'll write introduction about the car, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah, whatever. So this is introduction. And then on the offers page, I will have some interesting offers. And images. The features page have some interesting features. Take these from the website of the cars. Some interesting features like I showed to you before on Toyota's website. Seating capacity for 8 and 360 horsepower, etc. Like this. So some good features. And then in the gallery, make sure the gallery has some frames also. On the gallery, add images. Here you should have add images here. You see where is the gallery? Let me just show you. So, let me just open one car, any car. Gallery should be having pictures. So the gallery should be having pictures like this, images like this, 6 to 9. And then the features should be having some features like this: performance, cargo space, excellent maneuverability, etc. like this. So have some images and features over here, written over here in the images. Interesting features, seating capacity for 8, whatever, and the gallery should be having this. Now please notice the button, the email I sent to you. Did you see my email? You should be referring to different websites to see the features, how they create the features. All the buttons should be available like this on all pages. You see, all the buttons should be available. If you go to introduction, still all buttons are available. If you go to offers, still all offers are available. Features, all offers available. Gallery, all offers are available. Now it's up to you. You organize your buttons like this or like this. You can organize your buttons like this also. And you have all the content over here. It's up to you how you create a very interesting and very catchy interface. So you can organize your buttons different way as you like. But make sure they are available on all the pages. Also, please make sure you watch the group project I've uploaded on assessments. It's the same as the email I sent to you. The email I sent to you, it is same. Please read this. Look at these references website. If you finish all of these, you will finish the project. Let me just explain, please. If you need good marks, right, some of you are asking me to show the navigation. Navigation is again very simple, something which you have done before. Let me show this to you in a couple of minutes if you want to have a look. Stop. First of all, stop in the beginning. Make sure you do this in a new layer. This stop, okay? So, if you do it in a new layer, you can organize everything. So, I want to do this in a new layer. First of all, it should stop in the first keyframe. First keyframe, stop. Now you will see everything will stop. It will not move forward. You see, I'm saying buttons, something very interesting. This is one. It does not look very excellent in particular. You can use your imagination, create a button one. Now, if you want to go to the introduction, from here, what you need to do in introduction, you go to window, code snippets. Let me just make sure this is working. Click to go to keyframe and stop. This will allow you to go to introduction and stop. Right over here, introduction. It has to be the same spelling. If you don't have the same spelling, if you don't remember the same spelling, just copy and paste from here. introduction, this introduction has to be the same spelling. Copy from here if you have any confusion. So I also made a mistake, it should be I capital. I capital. So it will go to introduction and it will stop. You see, if I click here, it will go to introduction and stop. You should do this for the whole, all the 4 buttons. Like for example, again for offers, go to window, code snippets, click to go to frame and stop. Offers. Now this should go to offers. I'll write here offers. Now you'll see introduction. So it went to introduction. You click on offers, it went to the offers. So that's something you should do. Okay, make sure everything is going into the actions.